Another video. Today we have the new promos. I'm gonna go ahead and check the tools, show you guys the tools at the website. Don't forget to help out the channel by subscribing here and then hitting the bell icon so we can buy more tools like this, make more to review videos. That's the way YouTube runs the platform, by subscribing and likes. So help out the channel by doing so. Yes, as I told you guys in the other video, I did find this at Facebook. Big shout out to my man Alex. So as you guys see here, all the fuel items are on the left and all the non-fuel items are on the right. And yes, this is older brushed tools. This is not brushless. And you get a 2 amp hour battery. If you want to buy any of these, you get a 2 amp hour battery for free. If you buy any of these fuel tools, newer, you're going to get a 5 amp hour battery. Obviously, that's the discount. So if you want to hack it, I know some of you in the comments told me how to hack it. Well, what you do is you go buy the tool, get yourself with a free battery in the store, and then just walk right in with your battery and return it. Or what you could do is buy this online, both of these online. You can have this the tool that you do not want, which is the battery, have that shipped to your house, and then have this shipped to the store just before, like 15 minutes. They give you like 15 minutes, I believe, so you can cancel this, the battery itself, the item that gets shipped. You can cancel that, and then you can just go and pick up the tool if that's what you want to do. But you know what, guys, both of these are pretty good deals. That battery's awesome. I do have a few of these. These are great. Anyways, so these are the deals. We're gonna go over a few good ones, the ones that I think are the best for these deals. All right, let's go down here. All right, the first one is the vacuum. I think it's a good deal, especially if you're gonna be using it in the house. You can have the Wi-Fi, pretty much use this, or you can use it, to clean the vehicle. Obviously, it does have a hose. So this is mostly a lighter duty type of vacuum, but it does have a lot of options. As it says right there, as you guys see, a lot of options. You can use it just in handheld. You can use it as a regular vacuum there, and just an extension, and then you can use it with the hose and with the whole extension there. So it does have a lot of different options. You guys can use it, a lot of different attachments, as you guys see here. It does have a HEPA filter, so it is compatible. And this is the product the part where you select the free item and just add both to the cart. All right, the next, and I'll leave the link down below in the description section to all these items, so you guys would just go directly to it. This is the angle grinder. This is what I was planning to get, but I don't know, they might come out with a new one, so I'm probably gonna wait for the Gen 2 or the Gen 3, whatever they come out with. Yeah, then this one you can, which is pretty good deal, because it comes down to $100, so pretty good. You get $80 off. This is the angle grinder. This is an older tool, but still it's a fuel. It's an excellent angle grinder. Definitely recommend it. So that's the other tool. All right, the next one down this is what I decided to get. I decided to get the pack out light. The reason why is because it's the newest tool, and plus you guys are gonna like it in the channel. It's $199. And then it says you get a free battery, free 5 amp hour battery promotion. Obviously, click here. You got 3,000 lumens, so this is more than the rocket light. Lumens of true view, high definition output lighting. If you guys go camping and stuff like that, this is a great little box for you guys to take out there. It does have, I believe, like a charger for your cell phone and everything, and an enclosed battery compartment. So it says high definition light output, fully capable with pack out for lighting off of the stack, integrated M18 USB device charging. See more details. Definitely check it out. I think this is probably one of the better ones out there, or with this. So you guys see, it does have the interior input with integrated 2.1 amp charging device. That's a 3,000 lumens. So it does have a few different heads here. It has 3 different heads. You can point them out at pretty much all 360 degrees here. It says charges M18 batteries. fully compatible with your pack-out modular system. 3 independent rotating heads. That's nice. You get a video there, example of how you can use it. And that's the battery compartment there. That's nice. That's a 12 amp hour battery, so you can fit up to a 12 amp hour battery, and that's an example of. Anyways, that's a really nice. I think this is a really good deal there. All right. The next one down, I think this is a great deal too. It drops down to 150 after the sales or the deals here, the battery deal. So $150 from $239. I think that's a really good deal. This is one of the better ones that they have. The M18 Fuel Gen 2 18 volt lithium brushless cordless mid torque impact wrench. Let's check out a little bit of stats here. All right, you got up to 650. That's a lot for a little guy like this. That's a lot. Up to 650 pounds of nut busting torque, 450 fastening torque, premium anvil material, anvil type of square, half an inch square friction ring. That's the best one to have. And then you got a tri-LED work light, LED work light, variable speed trigger, 4-mode drive control, belt clip, weight without battery, 3.5 pounds, premium rubber, overall high voltage rating up to 69 kilovolts, I guess. Forward and reverse control, all metal mechanism, premium gear case rubber, over mold, partial brushless motor. So definitely check it out. That's a nice one. All right, and this is the other one. I wasn't like over, going crazy over this. It's an okay deal. It's not the best one. It's gonna knock it down, let's say $80. So it's gonna knock it down to $320. Not the best deal on this, but some of you may want to get into this line. So this is a great way to start. Obviously, you're gonna get 3 batteries and 2 tools, occasionally a charger for $399. So that's a pretty solid deal there. Anyways, that's it for today. I just wanted to show you guys the tools that I thought that were the best. The other tools on the right, I didn't feel like they were the best. I mean, you could probably use the one-handed reciprocating saw, the sander, the multi-tool. Those are fine tools. Obviously, you're gonna get them really cheap because you're gonna get this battery for free, and once you return it, this is gonna drop them a lot. So, anyways, not my favorite, but they're still great tools to have. Anyways, that's it for today. Don't forget to help out the channel by subscribing, hitting the like, hitting the bell icon, so we can buy more tools like this, make more tool review videos. That's the way to reach the platform by subscribers and likes. So help out the channel by doing so, and we'll see you guys on the next one.